Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Drive Medical Plastic Tub Transfer Bench with adjustable backrest. Color may vary, and the handle on the side gives her something to grip and help move herself over. The only slight drawback is making the shower curtain work, but it is relatively easy to accomplish. Beats the heck out of the price of similar items sold at Walgreens and CVS. It does its job, however you find you stick to it. And as you move over, you are putting pressure on the legs. The white feet that go on the inside of the tub stay secure to the bottom of the bathtub, and do not move. Yes, you can't close the shower door completely, but a good bath mat catches most all overspray if you have a handheld shower wand. It has been helpful to have a shower curtain and liner. The liner can be inside the shower and over the chair, while the curtain stays outside. Every little water on the bathroom floor. It made it easy for me to sit down first and then slide on over into the tub. When you are recovering from hip replacement, you want products that are sturdy and confidence building. It worked quite well to assist with getting in and out of the tub, and assisted with taking a bath and shower. It does not seem to go into the tub far enough. He feels like he is sitting more towards the outside of the tub than he should. Some creativity is needed to arrange the shower curtain properly, but this was a godsend after a devastating fall and surgery. But Terry's no setup time, and you can slide the backrest in from either side to accommodate your setup. Place the handles apart, and put the bench in when showering your elderly parent, and simply remove the bench when finished. Thought handle was great, but could have had a rubber grip to make it not quite as slippery as the metal itself. The suction cups were easy to remove when other people wanted to shower, but stuck well enough that the chair was very stable. Buy a lightweight shower curtain that can be tucked into the break between sections, and you shouldn't have a problem. Our only issue is the tub has slightly rounded sides and a slightly curved bottom, so getting the suction cups to grip is problematic. Our tub is pretty deep, and this seemed to be one of the only benches that would fit. It is easy to put together without tools, good suction cups to hold the bench in place, and is very sturdy. But better to be strong than to be weak, as it ensured that the bench didn't move around on her when entering or exiting the wet shower. You can install the seat either side for the direction of the spray of your shower. After a rehab stay recently, they suggested a bariatric chair as he has difficulty lifting leg high enough to get over the tub, and it throws his balance. This is designed perfectly with a handle to help you maneuver into and out of the tub. You can choose which side gets the handle based on the orientation of your tub and/or your injury. The seat has holes to allow the water to drain and prevent water from hitting the floor. Has a suction cup for the inside, but it's really not needed, but it's there anyway. If you are looking for a wide, easy entry shower chair, this is the one. In our shower, you aren't completely in the shower even if you move all the way to the shower side. He can sit on the seat, and then swing his legs over and scoot into position for the shower. With a smaller patient it probably won't matter much anyway. And the deep seat makes it safer for shifting a patient around when sliding them into position inside the tub. It's very hard, and it's a shame it can't be constructed of a more comfortable material. It's very easy to put together, and to change which side the seat is on. For anybody that has trouble stepping over the side of a tub to take a shower, this sit-down solution is the answer. It is wonderful. It has big suction cups to secure the legs inside the tub, and is very sturdy, and does not slip. The seat is smooth, and does not irritate skin for sliding across the seat after sitting down on the end. Inside of each leg there is a plastic plug that needs to be removed in order to be able to get the legs installed. The legs are also a challenge to install. Once the legs are in and line up with the holes and the pin that fits in the hole, you have to kind of rock the legs back and forward to be able to get the pins to secure the mounting pipes of the bench. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.